Welcome to my channel, where we provide expert relationship advice to help you achieve your desired outcome. In this video, we will be discussing the 7 essential rules to follow if you want to get the man you want. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. So let's get started. Rule number 1, know what you want. Knowing what you want is the foundation of getting the man you desire. It's essential to have a clear picture of the qualities and traits that are important to you in a partner. Consider what values you hold dear, what kind of lifestyle you want, and what qualities you find attractive. Knowing what you want will also help you identify deal breakers and prevent you from settling for someone who doesn't meet your standards. Take some time to reflect on your desires and make a list of your non-negotiables. This will help you stay focused on what's important when you're dating and help you make more informed choices. When you're clear about what you want, you'll be more confident and assertive in your approach to finding the man you want. Rule number 2, be confident. Confidence is a crucial factor in attracting the man you want. When you are confident, you radiate positive energy and self-assuredness, which is highly attractive. Believe in yourself and your worth, and don't be afraid to show it. Embrace your unique qualities, and don't try to be someone you're not. Men are drawn to women who are comfortable in their own skin and know their value. Being confident also means setting boundaries and communicating your needs and wants effectively. This will earn you respect from others and will ensure that you're not settling for less than you deserve. Remember that building confidence takes time and effort, so practice self-care, positive affirmations, and celebrate your accomplishments. When you're confident, you'll feel empowered and will attract the kind of man who will appreciate you for who you are. Rule number 3, be approachable. Being approachable is a critical factor in meeting and attracting the man you want. It's important to make yourself open and available to new experiences and people. Smile, make eye contact, and engage in conversations with those around you. Show genuine interest in what others have to say, and be an active listener. This will make you more approachable and attractive. Also, pay attention to your body language. Uncross your arms, keep your head up, and stand tall to convey an open and confident demeanor. Being approachable also means being authentic and true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, as this can come across as disingenuous. When you're approachable, you'll attract people who share similar interests and values. So be open and friendly, and let your natural charisma shine through. Rule number 4, don't play games. Playing games is never a healthy approach when it comes to finding a meaningful relationship. It's important to be authentic and honest with your intentions, as this will ensure that you attract the right person who is genuinely interested in you. Manipulating someone's emotions or playing hard to get can send mixed signals and create confusion. This can be damaging to any potential relationship and can ultimately result in heartbreak. So, be clear about what you want and communicate openly with your potential partner. Don't be afraid to express your feelings and be vulnerable. This will create a foundation of trust and respect, and you'll be more likely to attract someone who is emotionally mature and ready for a committed relationship. Remember that honesty and authenticity are key when it comes to finding lasting love. So, avoid playing games and focus on building a genuine connection, based on mutual respect and trust. Rule number 5, respect yourself. Respecting yourself is an essential rule when it comes to attracting the man you want. It means valuing yourself, your time, and your needs. When you respect yourself, you set healthy boundaries and don't allow others to treat you poorly. This shows that you have self-worth and are not willing to settle for anything less than you deserve. It's important to take care of yourself, both physically and emotionally. Practice self-care, engage in activities that make you happy, and surround yourself with positive people who lift you up. When you respect yourself, you also attract respect from others. This means that the man you want will treat you with the kindness, love, and respect that you deserve. Remember that self-respect is not about being arrogant or self-centered. It's about having a healthy sense of self-worth and treating yourself with kindness and compassion. When you respect yourself, You set the standard for how others treat you, and this is the foundation for a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Rule number 6, be patient. Patience is key when it comes to finding the man you want. It's important to remember that love and relationships take time and effort to develop. Rushing into things or trying to force a connection can lead to disappointment and frustration. Instead, take the time to get to know someone and build a solid foundation of friendship and trust. Don't be too quick to judge or dismiss someone based on initial impressions, as people can surprise you in unexpected ways. Also, keep in mind that the right person for you may not come along right away, and that's okay. Trust the process, and don't give up on your search for love. Focus on building a fulfilling life for yourself, pursuing your passions, and nurturing your friendships and family relationships. When you're patient and open-minded, you'll attract the right person who shares your values and interests. Remember that the journey towards finding love is just as important as the destination. Rule number 7, communicate. Communication is essential when it comes to building a successful relationship with the man you want. It's important to express your thoughts, feelings, and needs openly and honestly. This creates a foundation of trust and respect, and ensures that you're both on the same page. Good communication also means actively listening to your partner and seeking to understand their perspective. This creates a sense of mutual understanding and fosters deeper connection and intimacy. It's important to communicate your expectations and boundaries, as this can prevent misunderstandings and conflicts down the line. Don't be afraid to have difficult conversations, as they can strengthen your relationship and bring you closer together. Remember that communication is a two-way street, and both partners need to be willing to share and listen. When you communicate effectively, you'll build a strong and lasting relationship with the man you want. Thank you for watching this video on the 7 essential rules to get the man you want. Remember to stay true to yourself, be patient, and communicate effectively. These simple rules will help you attract the man of your dreams and build a happy and fulfilling relationship. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more expert relationship advice.